So guys, this is the moment we are at the Jatayu Earth Center
And it's really hot out here,
really
and
hot.
we are roasted.
Yes. So as we all know that Jatayu was the
I think we have to take this.
no.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So as we all know that Jatayu was the mythical creature from Ramayana, and he was the brother of Sampati who lost his wings when he was uh, about to rescue Mother Sita from the clutches of Ravana.
Is that the history? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jatayu lost his wings. So
Okay.
Ravana cut his wings when he was about to rescue Sita from Ravana. And Jatayu fell at this very spot. You can. I searched some of the videos where I found that Prince Ram's footprints are also present at this very place. So let's go inside and explore what we all have in the store. Any comments?
Can the sun please go down?
Yes. So that is the only drawback which we found here. Too much hot and humid climate. But we have an exceptional, beautiful view from here, full of greenery, and that's the rock. So we have cleared the security gates, and we are about to go into the glass gondola, which will be taking into the exact destination, which is the Jatayu Earth Center. That's the one, Jatayu. And she's scared. Even I am scared. Look at my face.
Oh my god!
But the scenic beauty is
Awesome.
awesome.
And the thrill is amazing. It's really thrilling.
But the greatest disadvantage is that they don't allow bags to get into the premises. They don't allow tripods to get into the premises. But somehow I managed to take my bag inside, convincing the officials that it's a camera bag containing the camera accessories. So that was not an issue. Okay, so they have also zipline facility. So if you want to try any adventure sport, you can try it here also. So guys, finally we are here at the Jatayu Earth Center, and
And I have a question.
no, let us have a look. This is the
Hi, this was us from the Jatayu Art Center. It's a statue that's created to ensure women's honor. So I really liked the concept behind it.
yes.
And this quite resembles a place in Langkawi called Eagles Point. So I wonder which inspired what. So that's it from our end.
Bye.
Yeah.